Okay, so this part that I made, I need to deepen my O-ring grooves because they weren't deep enough. So I've already deepened one to the right size, so I know what I've got now. But that's what we're doing real quick here. And I'm using a parting blade for it. Let's get going. As you can see, none of this takes very long. Clean up the edges a little bit here. And that should do it. We got O-ring here, let's just double check. Yep, they're all three good. And it probably doesn't require 3 O-ring grooves on this, but I put 3 on it anyway. I like to have all my tools fairly clean when I put them back in the rack. Very soon we're going to make a rack for these tools. I've already printed some plastic holders that I can just screw into a board. And I'm going to load up my other 5 tool holders and have them ready. So I have all tools ready to go for quick changes. I like to keep my work area as clean as possible, as often as possible. In some future videos, we're going to be doing several tuning and adjusting videos on the lathe here, and we'll also be doing some minor machining so I can finish a couple of parts for the Lotus.